Hello, in this video, I will show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. There are two ways to do it, but we will go with the first way. So, choose any browser that you use and access youtube.com. I will choose Google Chrome. And here, log in with your Google account and at the right bottom of the screen, you can see three dots here. Please choose it. And then scroll up a little bit. Please choose Request Desktop Site. We can see more options in this mode. Okay, it's a little bit hard to see on the phone with this mode. So here at the top right corner, you can see your avatar. Please choose it. And then choose YouTube Studio. Here you can see we move to the studio.youtube.com site and on the left of screen, you choose the second sign to see how many subscribers that you have. Unfortunately, my account is 0, so you can see anything here. It is in Vietnamese, so maybe you don't understand it clearly, but if you want to check your subscribers, you can look at the red circle on the screen. It will show you exactly the number. Okay, there is another simple way to check your subscribers. You can download YouTube Studio from Play Store or App Store and then access the app. It will show you the total subscribers clearly at the main interface. Okay, I got 0, so it's here show 0. That's it. Thanks for watching and I hope this video is helpful.